we are from Bangalore and we are here to celebrate Christmas in Gulmarg. It's just our second day, but we are loving it. It's very beautiful. My message to people who haven't yet visited Gulmarg is this should be on your list. You should visit this place. It's a very, very beautiful place, and the people are amazing. My message to the rest of the people for Christmas is, yes, this is a season when Christ was born, but the bigger message is that it's a time for us to start again. It's a new beginning. It symbolizes new life, new hope, forgiveness, sharing, and caring.
आज अच्छी बात है, आज क्रिसमस भी है तो हम लोग यहाँ पर हैं, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं और मैरी क्रिसमस आप सबको भी। तो जीसस ने ये कहा था कि हर जगह प्यार हो, शांति हो, वो सब चीज होनी चाहिए। इस दुनिया में ज्यादा प्यार होना चाहिए, जो नहीं है प्यार मोहब्बत सब लोग रहो, कोई लड़ाई नहीं है, कोई हिंदू मुस्लिम जिससे कुछ नहीं, सब एक हैं।
Should celebrate Christmas. कोई भी धर्म हो, you should just celebrate Christmas. God is one. This one.
I'd like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and also a Happy New Year.